In this video, we will explain how to connect the electric float switches to the tank reservoir. As we can see, this is a tank that stores water so we can use it when needed. This tank requires a pump to lift the water from the pump's level up to the level where the tank is located. And to control the water level in the tank, we need an electric float switch, which is precisely placed inside the tank to automatically fill it. The electric float switch is installed using a weight. This weight is fixed according to the desired level for turning the pump on and off to fill the tank. And to connect the electric float switch to the tank, we need to have an electric float switch whose function is to cut off the power to the pump when the water reaches the highest level in the tank, and to supply power to the pump when the water reaches the lowest level inside the tank. We also need a double phase or two-pole electrical switch whose function is to disconnect and connect the power to the circuit. This is for maintenance and installation purposes. We also need a contactor, which is used for the control circuit and to connect the float switch to it inside the panel. As we can see here, we connect the power wire to the electrical switch. Then we connect the neutral wire to the electrical switch. After that, we connect the power wire that comes out of the switch to the contactor. Next, we connect the neutral wire that comes out of the switch to the contactor as well. Then we connect the power wire to the pump's terminal block, and likewise we connect the neutral wire to the pump's terminal block. As for the contactor has a coil. This coil has two terminals, A1 and A2, and this forms the core of the contactor. When these two terminals are connected to electricity, the contactor is activated, and this is the role of the control in the circuit. So we connect terminal A1 of the contactor to the power wire coming out of the electrical switch, and the second terminal of the contactor A2 to one of the float switch terminals. The idea behind the float switch is simply that it acts as a switch that cuts off the electricity when the tank is full and connects the electricity when the water level in the tank drops. As we can see, the float switch has three wires, blue, black, and red, and each float switch has two connection terminals according to its specific wiring diagram. But usually the blue and black wires are used, so we connect the blue wire to the neutral terminal coming out of the contactor and the black wire to the other terminal of the contactor, which is A2. Before making the connection, it is necessary to adjust the position of the float's weight in order to set the desired water level for the pump to turn on and off. As we can see, the float switch looks like this. When the tank is being filled, its inside is shaped like a ball. This ball changes its position during operation and presses on a switch to turn on the pump. When it is time to stop, the float's position changes, causing the ball to move to another place, which cuts off the electricity to the pump. And with that, we have finished explaining today's video. We hope we have conveyed the information in a simple and meaningful way. This was your brother, Engineer Hamada Ramadan with you. Peace, mercy, and blessings of Allah be upon you.